What do you think you're doing, Essie? That is not clean. That is dirty. That's not even a food.
It is a
What?
food.
What do you think of that? Why you're biting it? That's a number. You should recite that from 1 to 100.
Okay.
Go.
1. Where's 1? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 59.
We couldn't hear you. 59.
59, 60.
Very good.
61, 62,
Louder.
63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 75, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79.
What? 79?
79.
Wala na, nakatulog na. Ano susunod sa 79? Oh, bilis na. Malapit ka na 100. Ayusin mo.
84, 85, 86,
88 and then
88,
89. What's next? Bilisan mo na. Malapit ka na.
90,
Aha.
91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98,
99.
100.
Ay, ayusin. Very good. Oh, bye-bye ka na. Tell them to like and subscribe.
I can subscribe and also I will sing a song. Wait.
Say bye-bye, guys.
Wait.
What? What do you want? What do you want to do pa?
What's the song from Adon?
Adult?
Yeah.
What? The song of Bruno Mars? Versace? What?
Bruno Mars with Adon.
Walking to the moon ba yun? Ha?
Hindi.
What?
It was hindi yan.
Versace on the floor?
Yes.
Okay.
Versace on the floor.
kaya yun? I thought you're going to sing. Bilis na. This is done? Oh, say bye-bye to them na.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, guys. Bilis na. Ang kulo.
Bye-bye.
Bilis na.
Bye-bye, guys. And like and subscribe.
Ay, ayusin kasi. Marap ka dito, bilis.
Okay.
Okay, bye-bye, guys. Please
Bye-bye.
like... Ay! Teka lang, sandali, nagbibideo ako.
Bye-bye, guys.
Please like and subscribe. Bilis na, ay, anak ng teteng naman, oh. Diyos mio.
Please
Hindi na.
like and subscribe.
And leave a comment.
and put it on my
Ewan ko, bye-bye, guys.
And you forgot me.
Bye!